Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago, 4x5 reversal film, jewelry shot. And today's subject, I have this image and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Fresco used filter called Find Edges. Well, let's get started. What kind of image should it's gonna be turning out? Let's see. Yeah, this is my subject and I want to make something interesting, something impressive image from this just regular jewelry shot. Well, pearls are not that easy to express because just one white ball. So I'm gonna check, let's see, change blend mode of this pencil drawing type image. What kind of expression I'm gonna find? Color wise, let's see, from darken, multiply, color burn, always nice on gold. Lighten, this shows pretty interesting colors. Well, overlay, let's pin light. This is nice. Divide gives you more shiny pro image. Luminosity, sort of pastel colors, which I really like. Yeah, we can use this luminosity effect as a base pastel color, and divide maybe shows shiny image, and what else? Pink light gives you a more sharper edge. Well, I can't. And also overlay is again light image. I can't use everything together, but let's see. And color burns, nice on gold colors as a base image. As a base image, maybe I'm gonna use luminosity. Nice base color, I think. Then I add some shadow and yeah, let's get this image fixed first. Okay, select multiple. 1, 2, then duplicate layers. Now flatten layers. Merged selected. Okay, each time I'm gonna change rename. Okay, I got this image, then colors are pretty thin, so I'm going to duplicate this layer, then change blend mode to multiply, goes darker, nice pastel color. Okay, merge down. Now we got the nice colors, except this dark lines. Yes, a little bit too dark, huh? So let's see, if I move this pencil drawing type image over this luminosity effect layer, then change blend mode to divide. Shows, well, reduce the black lines. So I'm going to duplicate this pencil drawing type image. Then one is bring back to normal blend mode, then just turn it off to keep it. Then I'm going to merge down on this divide effect pencil drawing type image over this luminosity effect layer to get this nice color image. Oops, wait a minute, is that right? A little bit dark though. Why is that? How about convert to pixel layer? Then merge down. Strange. It shouldn't be. Wait a minute. Merge down. then changed. Well, I don't wanna. This is normal brand. This is divide. How come I can't fix this way? How about select multiple? Merge selected. No. How come? Let's see, if I select this, merge everything together. Nope. Yeah, I don't know why. Cannot reduce these dark lines, huh? But better than this one, I think. So, okay, just march down anyways. Well, I don't know why. Okay, I don't know why, but I'm gonna start from here. Okay, this is the base image, luminosity effect layer. Then, okay, this pencil drawing type image, just keep it. Then I'm gonna duplicate this original image. Then move this one up over this luminosity effect layer, which is base image. Then tone down on original image. About more subtle, so about 40% or so. Okay. The original image, I'm going to turn it off to keep it. Okay, I'm going to make mask to get this shadow area. Nice to see shadow and show the pearls nicely. So turn on this image, create empty mask. Now I'm gonna hide this mask with dry media to pastel square. Yeah, this is too small area to get these shadows. So I'm gonna hide some overall image, then reveal again, go back to mask, some jewelries. Okay, now I'm going to hide here. Okay, see nice shadow. Alright. Then reveal this area doesn't have shadow. Don't want to show that. Alright. Now this is overall okay, but I want to see much nicer gold colors. So let's see. This is the original image, right? Turn it on, then opacity 100. Then use this pencil drawing type image. Turn it on, change to color burn. Shows more nicer gold, I think. A little more thick color, maybe. Let's see. Let me check. Then this, right. Okay, turn it on again. then select multiple, then merge duplicate layers, then merge selected to get this gold color. This is color burn effect, right? Okay. Now I'm gonna bring this one, then put over this luminosity effect layer. Now turn it off this pencil drawing type image and original image. Then create empty mask. Now again invert mask. Then get some nice gold colors. Not everything, some part. Same brush. Nice to have texture of the brush as an illustration image. Not much, huh? Let's see. Oh, pretty much. Alright. Okay, so far kind of nice feeling, but that's not enough though. Now I want to show pearls, much nicer. How can I show this? How about add some colors on all the pearls? Well, let's try. This is empty layer. Bring this one's up. Then change to, well, just leave it this. Then let me see. Use the same brush. Okay. Then let's see. Challenge. Let me see if I change to color. Show some. That's interesting. Alright. Okay then. Probably if I change blend mode to color, don't need to shape. I don't need any shape of the brush, so I'm gonna change brush to basic, soft round. Maybe this one's gonna paint pretty thick. Yeah, maybe this is interesting. Okay, let me see. Make some rainbow color. Of course, it's not real pearls color. I would say sort of imagination of the pearls, not real color. Well, I guess that's kind of interesting. Yeah, as an illustration, that's sort of imagination. Okay, then let's see what I can do from here. I'm gonna add one more layer for white layer, filling with white. Then make mask to show. Let me see where the images are. Turn on, darken, so we see where the pearls are. And I'm gonna hide white layer with anything to wrapping brush. This is pretty interesting. Well, kind of interesting, isn't it? Real saddle colors. Alright, let's see. This is original. Today's original subject shot, and I made the pencil drawing type image, change blend mode to luminosity to get this luminosity effect layer. This one. Then I made mask to show this much of shadow area from original image. Then in this image, gold part like here and gold color here. From this, I changed the original image, change blend mode to color burn effect with mask. This is color burn effect with mask to get this much of the gold color. Just a touch darker gold color. Then add just this image. You see the pearls, just white color, but kind of play, well, add color on pearl, like magenta, blue, yellow type color image. Then this is, I don't know, just play around about 70%, 75% to show the pearls image. Then I add white layer with mask. That's it. Well, this original and the pencil drawing image, I'm not using it. This is it for today. Well, kind of illustration type image. That's it for today, and thank you for watching my video. Well, I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.